Meaning of differ.
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 Differ. The word differ means to be unlike or distinct from something else. It implies a comparison between two or more things and highlights the contrast or variation between them. The act of differing can manifest in various forms, such as differing in appearance, opinions, beliefs, or behaviors, to name a few. When two things differ, it suggests that they possess unique characteristics that set them apart from one another. This could lead to diverging paths or outcomes, which can be either positive or negative, depending on the context in which they occur. Overall, differing is a fundamental concept that helps us understand and appreciate the diversity and complexity of the world we live in.